Yes, welcome to today's post-market analysis. Let's see what are the possible trades that we got today. And we know yesterday is a sideways to positive day, though it is a gap down. So this is yesterday's high. Wait, 1 second, sorry. So this is yesterday's high. And market opened gap up, but the opening you can see it is right at yesterday's day before yesterday's supply zone. There's a huge crash from here, so this is going to act as a supply zone again. So when market is opening right at the resistance, we should be careful while going long. First candle you can see it is green candle, so don't think of going long immediately. So rather we can see for a bearish candle at the supply zone. You can see the second candle is a bearish candle. So you can enter here and keep your stop loss here. 1 second. So entry is here and keep your stop loss here, and then book your profit at the CPR or top CPR. So this is 1 and this is your 2. So we got 1:2 risk for. Okay, so that is first trade that is available, and I have personally taken this and I got 1 second, sorry, this is not going. Yeah, so this is around 0.6 percentage for me, because 0.8 is the total actual profit that I should book. But the thing is, the way it is bouncing from yesterday's high. Okay, this should be our first target. So by that time premium is already almost eroded, like from 10 it came down to around 8. So I booked around here, so we got around 32 points or something, 30 change. So remaining points we have to leave. So otherwise after that the second trade possible is when it is bouncing back from this huge support CPR. So keep your positions here open, and then stop loss here. Actually target should be back to day's high, but as considering this bearish price action, you can only expect up to here, though it actually moved up slightly here, higher here. So there is no actual risk reward. So it sometimes it can happen, like it can retest this and it can go up to here and then crash again. So that is the reason I have avoided the trade. Otherwise that is the only trade available, which is at the second candle. Coming to Bank Nifty, same is the case here. Opening is like a huge bullish candle, and there is no actual, see, this pivot is also like somewhat distance to this, but it almost went to that, but it never touched that, because because Bank Nifty today is entirely following Nifty. So based on Nifty sentiment it is moving. So it was actually here you can take a breakout, but you can see here there is a big wicks on this. Let me zoom it out. I think it is looking very small. Yeah, now better, I think. Yeah, you can see now at the first candle generally when it came back and retraced here and you see bullish candle, you have to go long, keep the stop loss here and book the profit days high or pivot, because considering wide CPR, it can be a sideways day like this. Okay, so we didn't see any bullish candle at the bottom of this first candle. Rather we saw a breakout of that zone, but the problem is it has huge wicks here. So there are actually buyers, so we can't go short or we can't go long also. So you can see that actually region has formed as a big sideways day for the entire day. Here slightly went outside and came back to the region, and finally it has given a breakout of this huge consolidation zone. Okay, so this breakout also we cannot take, because it is, this candle is still at this previous day high and the current day's low. So it finally broken that support at this red candle, and we can't go short because immediately there is a support. But here another entry possible is here when it formed a doji candle, you can entry here, stop loss here, and then take profit can be at least up to here, or this is 20 MA, this green line. So this is another level, can act as a resistance at the higher time frame. So today I thought market will actually close above this, but it stayed almost at the same, exactly at the 20 MA. So tomorrow is a crucial part where it actually moves higher or downside. So I think tomorrow will decide the market direction further for next coming days. So other than that, this also is kind of so stop loss is big, and also it is 1:1.5. So if you are okay with that kind of return, you can take it. Otherwise, I avoid it because there is no 1:2. I personally take only the trades which has 1:2 risk reward. That is our channel name. So there's no risk reward there. So that's why I have avoided the trade as well. And coming to the levels for tomorrow, this level is anyway tested multiple times. I think we can move this to here, which is today's high, and I will keep this as a this level. I'll watch it as a demand zone when it actually comes down, and otherwise this level is going to act as a support because there is a bounce from this level. I think this also is going to act as a crucial level. So if market by any chance, if it is opening flat and if it is forming any bearish candle like this, I think we'll get entry here, entry here, stop loss here, and take profit here. We get very good risk reward. Or if there is a gap up, huge gap up, I will see if this level is getting broken with a bullish candle or something, then I will go long and keep the stop loss here, and I'll wait for this to reach here. And if there is any retracement after moving up and if it is coming down, I'll take my second entry if there is huge gap up. Considering the last half an hour price action, there is decent volume. So it's kind of at the break even level. We can't decide the direction now. So tomorrow only in the beginning price action we can decide where the market is heading. So this is taking some time to load. Okay, otherwise there is a nice gap here to actually trade for tomorrow. I think we will get some good risk reward. So you can see at the day level it formed a doji. So market after moving like higher side, it is trying to make a flag pattern. So we don't know how long this flag pattern will go. So when this level is broken upside, I think it can further move up to at least this 50,000 level. At least this 50,000 level it can touch. Okay, that is the expectation. So let's see how market opens tomorrow, and then we'll trade accordingly. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye.